my channel. Our vlog today is maglilinis tayo guys dito sa aking kwarto. So, katatapos ko lang nag-try on guys sa mga bikini, kaya lubusin na natin to, maglilinis tayo. At eto, nakabili ako ng bagong guys, ng bagong foam. Palitan ko na yung yung foam kasi lubog na siya, or ipatong ko na lang siya guys para mas mas mataas konti. Ito siya guys, nabili ko sa Ayan guys, hindi pa rin ako naliligo, kaya maglinis-linis muna tayo. So, simulan na natin guys. Iligpit muna natin itong mga kumot. Kasi dami ng kumot guys. Tanggalin muna natin itong mga kumot. Tatlo ang aking kumot guys.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand together, will make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stay.
Sa mga tumutuad dyan, ay tuwad na.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
It's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and we're smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right.
Tapos na tayo, guys. So, eto na siya. Ayan. Ayan, simple lang, guys, ang aking kwarto. Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. Simple lang ang aking kwarto, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Yun yung ginagamit kong panghula hoop. Saka yun yung ko. Yun ang aking higaan. Yan. Tapos dito, yan yung aking CR. Yan. Isan natin. Yan siya, guys. Aking CR. Yan. Pero may CR din ako sa baba, guys. Yan. So, maligo na tayo, guys. Bago ko i-end ang vlog, guys, shoutout ko muna ang aking mga Sisi Loves na si Sisi Jaden Rainsel, kay Sisi Risa Stam, kay Sisi Maganda Talaga, at kay Idol Kapatid in Laben, mega love shoutout. Shoutout sa Cabbage Queen ng Bulgaria na si Sis Filipina Yordanova, at kay Lalabs Jean Sinye. Sa aking mga channel members at super shotters, thank you so much, guys. Sa aking Team Gala at Team Agape, big shout out. So, dito na lang, guys. See you in my next vlog. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Bye!